Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Stellar Lumens price prediction and Stellar Lumens news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Stellar Lumens in 2022. Put simply, Stellar is an open network that allows money to be moved and stored. When it was released in July 2014, one of its goals was boosting financial inclusion by reaching the world's unbanked. But soon afterwards, its priorities shifted to helping financial firms connect with one another through blockchain technology. The network's native token, Lumens, serves as a bridge that makes it less expensive to trade assets across borders. All of this aims to challenge existing payment providers, who often charge high fees for a similar service. If all of this sounds familiar, it is worth noting that Stellar was originally based on the Ripple Labs protocol. The blockchain was created as a result of hard fork, and the code was subsequently rewritten. Crypto-focused enterprise payment platform Tribal Credit has concluded a $40 million debt offering that was funded through fiat and stablecoins, giving the company additional capital to expand its business services in Latin America. The so-called hybrid debt round was financed by Partners for Growth, a California-based investment firm, and Stellar Development Foundation, which is a nonprofit organization supporting the growth of the Stellar blockchain. Tribal said it will use the capital to fund receivables from its customer base throughout Latin America, particularly Mexico, Brazil, Chile, Colombia and Peru. Tribal Chief Operating Officer Dwayne Good explained to Cointelegraph that funding receivables from its customer base means that Tribal can use the debt facility to help customers in the aforementioned countries. In other words, this new debt facility will be used to support our customers' spending on the Tribal platform. When asked about the mechanics of the hybrid debt raise, Good explained that a portion of the debt facility was established with SDF and funded through USDC. A traditional debt facility, by contrast, is an agreement with institutional lenders that enables a financial services firm to draw on the facility to support the underlying credit needs of their portfolio. Launched in 2016, Tribal Credit provides credit cards and other forms of funding to startups in emerging markets. The company also employs a cross-border payment system supported by cryptocurrency exchange Bitso that allows businesses to convert local currency to Stellar's USDC stablecoin. Integration with Stellar blockchain began in April 2021 after Tribal received $3 million from the Stellar Development Foundation. Tribal and others have identified small businesses as a major source of growth for crypto payments and remittances, especially in emerging markets where access to traditional financial services is often limited. Data from the World Bank shows that small and medium-sized enterprises in emerging markets create roughly 7 out of 10 jobs, making their access to financing more important. 2021 was a stellar year for cryptocurrencies and DeFi, globally. It is noteworthy that the digital asset class surpassed a cumulative market cap of $3 trillion for the first time during the year. And BTC also clocked in some record gains in October after touching a new ATH. That being said, we know crypto adoption skyrocketed in the year gone by, as so did the curiosity around the asset class. A recent report by analytics firm GlobalData revealed that Bitcoin was the most mentioned cryptocurrency in terms of social media conversations among Twitter influencers and Redditors in 2021. With 881,000 plus discussions, Bitcoin saw the most traction on platforms when the U.S. securities regulators approved the first BTC futures ETF back in October, the report added. Up until the 9th of December, the report stated that the overall crypto buzz also saw a surge of over 400% YoY. The second biggest crypto, Ethereum, was also placed second on social media conversations with 305,000 plus discussions. With that, Dogecoin came third on the list with an 8,000% rise over 2020, followed by coins like Polkadot, Binance Coin, Tether, Solana, and Shiba Inu. Having said that, Dogecoin's rival Shiba Inu saw a growth of 16,000% in 2021, mainly driven by its listing speculation on Robinhood. Explaining further, Tripathy added that Tesla's Elon Musk proved to be one of the most influential contributors for the crypto market, and played as a catalyst for top cryptos such as Bitcoin and Dogecoin. This is especially true in instances of Musk tweeting about the Dogecoin satellite and acceptance of the meme token for merchandise. That being said, with Christmas approaching, Bitcoin has moved back to the north of $50,000. At the time of writing, BTC is hovering around the $51,000 levels, after its somewhat bear phrase. However, SEC's recent decision to shoot down two physically backed 2022 could be a good year for Stellar. However, people would like to know how Stellar will work in 2022 and what we should expect from XLM. The Stellar price forecast will cover the fundamental and technical aspects of the coming year. XLM could reach new highs, but it is also possible that the entire crypto market is expecting a collapse. In the next few sections, we will share with you all the details that you should know about the Stellar price forecast for 2022. When it comes to fundamental analysis of Stellar, we should focus on how this virtual currency attracts a large number of users from all over the world. We continue to live in a world where, for example, workers need services to send funds to their families in the regions where they live. Companies would need to start using XLM as a virtual currency for sending and receiving payments, as well as using the entire Stellar network. The implementation will be a key moment for Stellar, which is expected to become an even larger project, thanks to firms implementing XLM, as well as the Stellar network for their projects and initiatives. Until 2017, this virtual currency was out of sight of large investors. However, in the bull market of 2017 and in the first week of 2018, XLM was able to increase in price several times. During 2018, the digital asset entered the bear market, as did the entire crypto industry. This shows how important it is to follow the general trend of the market and make decisions according to how virtual currencies behave. Another thing to note is that XLM was able to recover from the bear market of 2018 and 2019 only at the beginning of 2021. Over the past 6 months, XLM has been in an accumulation phase in which it has fluctuated between 20 cents and 40 cents. This is a relatively stable price for XLM as a virtual currency, given that it is not a stable coin. It's time to start with our Stellar price forecast for 2022 and the coming years. Remember that this article is written for educational purposes only. We are not financial advisors. When it comes to Stellar's price forecast for 2022, analysts see that there is a very important critical level from which XLM can bounce back. This 20 cents level is where the digital currency has bounced twice.